Green Valley International School. Let us join hands to empower the future of nation.
Hello friends, today we will learn the new topic of chapter 3, that is subtraction. that in addition we have to go from left to right. Same way in subtraction also we have to go from left to right. In addition, when we get here the number that is greater than 9, then we add the tens digit at the next right side number, right? Same way here when there is smaller digit at the upper side and greater digit at the lower side, then we will borrow a number from next left digit. Understood? Good. So now we will start exercise 3.3, which is complete the following. Okay, so here they already did the sum that they borrowed 1 from tens place, and there also they borrowed 1 from hundreds place. So here we cannot subtract 1 from 0. So they borrowed 1 from 8. So here it became 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9, which they already had written. Okay. Now here as there was 7, we cannot subtract 9 from 7. So we borrowed 1 from hundreds place. So now 17 minus 9 will be 8. So we will write here 8. Okay. Now there is 7. There was 7, but as we had borrowed 1 from 8, we will subtract 1 from 7. So it is 6. So now 6 minus 0 is 6. So now 6 minus 8. Here we cannot subtract 8 from 6. So we will borrow 1 from 10 lakh place. So here 3 remains. So 16 minus 8 will be 8. Now we cannot subtract 5 from 3. So we will borrow 1 from lakhs place. So there remains 2, and here it becomes 13. So 13 minus 5 will be 8. Now here also we cannot subtract 9 from 2. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 from 10 lakhs place. So now it became 12. So 12 minus 9 will be 3. And the last it remained 7 minus 3. What is the answer? 4. So the answer is 43,88,689. Understood? Good. Same way we will here solve the second sum. 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. 0 minus 7. Here we cannot subtract. Here we cannot subtract 7 from 0. See, here 8 minus 0, 8, which is already done. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now here we will borrow 1 from lakhs place. So 10 minus 7 will be 3. Here we cannot subtract 8 from 2. So we will borrow 1 from 10 lakhs. So here it becomes 12. So now 12 minus 8 will be 4. And here 8 minus 5. So 8 minus 5 will be 3. So the answer is 468. Now question number 2. In that first sum, 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 7, we cannot subtract 7 from 0. So we will borrow 1. So here it will be 5. So 10 minus 7, 3. Now 5 minus 6. Here also we need to borrow 1. So here will be 4 and here will be 15. So 15 minus 6 will be 9. 4 minus 5. Here also we cannot subtract 5 from 4. So we will borrow 1 from 10,000's place. So here it becomes 14. Now 14 minus 5 will be 9. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. And 9 minus 1 is 8. So here answer is 83 lakh 9,930. Okay, now B. 8 minus 8, 0. 8 minus 0, 8. 8 minus 6, 2. 4 minus 9. Here we cannot subtract. So we will borrow 1. So now 14 minus 9. What is the answer? 5. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. So here the answer is 20 lakh 5,280. Now next, that is C. 2 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 9 minus 0 is 9. 7 minus 8, we cannot subtract. So we will here borrow 1 from 5. That is, so 5 will become 4. 17 minus 8, 9. Now we cannot subtract 6 from 4. So we will borrow 1 from 1. So 6 minus 14 will, 14 minus 6 will be 8. Now we cannot subtract 4 from 0. So we will borrow from the 0. So it will be 9. As here there is nothing. So here also we need to cut and we will do it here 7. As here we are not having any number, so we borrowed first from 10 lakhs place from 8 and then we gave it to 10. So 4 minus 10 will be, 10 minus 4 will be 6, 2 minus 9 will be 7 and 4 minus 7, 3. So our answer is 37 lakh 68,992. Okay. Now next sum. Here 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 7. Here we cannot do subtraction. So here we will borrow. So 16 minus 7 will be 9. Here also we need to borrow. So 16 minus 8 will be 8. Here also we need to borrow. So now 17 minus 9 will be 8. 8 minus 0, 8. 8 minus 8, 0 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So here the answer is 30,88,890. Now next sum. 7 minus 2 is 5. 0 minus 4. So here we will borrow 1. So 10 minus 4, 6. Here also we need to borrow. So 11 minus 9 is 2. 3 minus 8, 5. Here we need to borrow 1 as we cannot subtract 9 from 8. So 18 minus 9 will be 9 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So here the answer is 95,265. Now the last sum. 8 minus 7 is 1. Here we need to borrow. So 17 minus 8 will be 9. Here also we need to borrow. So 13 minus 4 also 9. Here also we need to borrow. So 14 minus 5 will be 9. 2 minus 0, 2 and 6 minus 1, 5. So the answer is 5,29,991. So now you all are clear about subtraction, right? Okay, thank you.